Have a seat. What happened to you?
Oh, क्या बताऊँ? I met with an accident while doing a wheelie on my bike.
Wheelie means riding a bike on one wheel. Ricky, you do realize that there are two wheels on a bike and they both have to work in tandem. Doing these silly stunts are only going to harm you, right? So, anyways, just like you cannot ride a bike on one wheel safely, you should not use one momentum oscillator in isolation while deciding to buy or sell stocks. It is always better to combine multiple tools while taking such crucial decisions. It increases your probability to a larger extent. Let's take both RSI and stochastic for example, and I'm going to explain to you how these oscillators work and how to combine both of them. The Relative Strength Index or RSI is a technical indicator and is available with the most popular charting platforms. It helps to ascertain whether the markets are oversold or overbought. In short, this tool helps identify potential turning points in the market. The RSI is typically calculated over a 14-period average of price movement. The value of this indicator varies from 0 to 100. The most common way to read and analyze RSI is as follows. If the RSI value is at 70 or above, it indicates that the markets are overbought and might turn to the downside in the near term. If the RSI value is at 30 or below, it indicates that the markets are oversold and might turn to the upside in the near term. Let us now look at the example to understand this better. The chart here depicts two zones. One is the oversold zone, and as you can see, the market has made a low at the oversold zone. As the RSI moves up and above the 30 mark, you can see the price moving up as well. Once the RSI value touches 70 or above, it is a good idea to look at the market for selling opportunities and exit your current position since the market is said to be overbought at this time. Thus, using this RSI indicator, you can enter, exit and even re-enter a stock.
This was quite easy to understand.
Yes, but like I mentioned earlier, you cannot just rely on RSI indicators alone because these RSI indicators, they tend to give you delayed signals and sometimes they give you signals even after the prices have moved. Hence, the combination of RSI tool and the stochastic oscillator can help you time the market movement better. Stochastics is a technical indicator which is available on most of the trading platforms. Just like RSI, these oscillators help you to gauge whether the market is oversold or overbought. The oscillator is plotted on a chart by comparing the current closing price with the highest high and the lowest low during a time period. The default setting for the stochastic oscillator is 14 periods. As you can see here, this indicator is depicted by two lines. They are known as the percentage D and percentage K. The percentage D line is the moving average of the percentage K, and both lines together indicate whether the stock or index is overbought or oversold. As you can see here, this chart clearly depicts two zones. Above the 80 mark indicates an overbought zone and below the 20 mark indicates an oversold zone. Remember, don't confuse these values with that of the RSI indicator, which considers overbought to be above 70 and oversold to be below 30. You can use a simple technique to anticipate price reversal. All you have to do is to wait for stochastic indicator and price to create a low. Once the stochastic oscillator hits the 20 mark and turns to the upside, you can initiate a buy on that security as per instance A. You can ride the trend to the upside until the stochastic oscillator hits the 80 mark and then exit or square off your position. You will get an opportunity to enter a long position once again at instance B, and you can ride the trend until the stochastic oscillator hits the 80 mark. Now, let's understand advantages and disadvantages of stochastic tool. First, the stochastic indicator is used to recognize turning points in the market. Second, it helps to identify oversold and overbought market conditions. Third, when combined with price action, the stochastic indicator helps to reduce false trading signals so as to accurately catch turning points in the market or stocks. However, just like RSI tools, these stochastic indicators too send out daily signal, and that is why it is necessary to combine these tools and get the highest probability results.
Awesome! In simple words, combining both RSI and stochastic oscillators can give more accurate signals.
To a certain extent, yes. Let me tell you how. When this RSI is above 70 and the stochastic is above 80, it means it's the time to book profits or exit as the market is about to turn downside. Whereas when the RSI is below 30 and the stochastic is below 20, this indicates that market is going to turn upside and it is the good time to book a long position.
Wow, you are a genius.